Before you start brushing, let's get started by setting up your Willo BrushBot. To wake your Willo BrushBot, plug the charger into the wall and place the handle on the charger base. The handle will light up and play a short tune. We recommend fully charging the battery before your first brushing. Next, it's time to attach the lip rest and brush head. Remove the travel cap and firmly attach blue lip rest. Check around the handle to make sure the lip rest is fully attached with no gaps. Then, insert the BrushBot brush head onto the handle. Save the protective travel cap for when you need to pack your Willo when you're on the go. Now, you're ready to start brushing.